In this series of videos, we will see how to use SwiftUI and Firebase in order to sign up and log in a user, okay? As you can see here, this is the welcome screen, okay? And for the sake of this video, what we will focus on is this login screen. So if we come here and we tap on this login button, as you can see, it will direct us to this screen. And this screen is the login screen, okay? And we have to complete this small form, okay? We have to provide the email and the password, okay? So what if we just tap on this login button? So if we tap on this login button, as you can see, we have a validation error, okay? And the validation will start with this email and then the password. But now, because our email field is empty, as you can see, we have this invalid email format, okay? So if I come here and I tap on this okay, and let's say I provide the wrong email, okay? Let's say I just enter a text. If I hit on this login again, as you can see, we still have an invalid email, okay? Because this is not a valid email, okay? So let us just fix it, and we can provide a valid email. So we can say tony@me.ca. And since this is a valid email, if I tap on this login button again, as you can see, now we have a different validation error, okay? Now, instead of this email, the validation error is about this password, okay? Let's read this validation error. Here, what it's saying is, password must meet the following criteria. The first criteria include at least one lowercase letter. The second one include at least one uppercase letter. The third contain at least one digit, contain at least one special character, and finally be between 8 and 16 characters in length, okay? So let us enter our password for this user. So here the password is this password 123 @+, okay? And here we have this toggle button, okay, in case we want to see our password, okay? So here this is a valid email, and also this is a valid password, okay? So normally if I tap on this login, we are supposed to go to Firebase, get this user information, and be able to log into our app, okay? But for now, what we want, let us say we want to provide a fake email, okay? So this is a valid email, but in our database, if I take this Firebase database, as you can see here in our database, what we have is tony@me.ca, okay? We don't have @me.com. So if we tap on this login button, normally we are supposed to get an error message, okay? But this time the error message will come directly from Firebase, okay? So let's see if we tap on this login button. As you can see, we have a new error message, okay? The supply of credential is malformed or has expired, okay? And Firebase is right, okay? Because we didn't provide a valid email, or at least this email is not registered into our database, okay? So here, let us fix it. So instead of .com, what we want is .ca, okay? And now if we tap on this login, it's supposed to log us into our app, okay? So let's go ahead and tap on this login. And as we can see, we are successfully logged into our app, okay? And now if we tap on this sign out, it will also sign us out of the app, okay? So guys, get excited for this. As I said, in this series of videos, we will see how to implement this step by step, okay?